Damn, look, this is what happens to your car in the winter. When a tree drops on your brand new 63 plate car, look. That's fucked up. The Golf was lucky, look, it escaped it. Wait till this person comes back to his car later. Look at that, man, look, how's that? The wind was that strong to rip up, look, to rip the pavement up like that, mate. That's got to be some strong wind, isn't it?
Yeah.
But look, the tree's rotted. That's fucked up shit, man. And I have to... Lol. Look at the state of the dude's car. Holy shit. That is fucked.